Hell yeah, guys. Day one. Beast getting torn apart, man. Got a mad scientist getting work. He said that what'd you say again? The subframe is not in the way of this pan, so it's a little bit easier.
Yeah, if you do have to drop the pan.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, that's about it. Nothing else.
Yeah. I'm probably not gonna put the exhaust back on.
Leave it off?
Yeah. Cause I'm gonna do turn down, and then I'm gonna try to save as much weight as possible. So I'm gonna.
But you got, Uncle's gonna make you something?
Huh? Yeah. I'm gonna make him make a turn down, and then I'm gonna still keep the exhaust though. But when I first bring the car out, everybody's gonna be like, damn, they want to see how fast that shit is, you know?
Why don't you just do what I did on mine, like aluminum exhaust?
All the way back?
Yeah. That way you still have an exhaust, but
Yeah.
it's light.
My car is already heavy, so I don't want nothing. I just want to, you know.
Oh, if you see my exhaust,
Yeah.
it's 10 pounds.
10 pounds? Damn. All right. I'll try it. I told my dad, let me park the car in the garage so I could do a top mount. Dad is not going for it.
But so you don't want a car sitting in the driveway for months.
Hmm?
He didn't want his car sitting in the driveway for months.
Yeah. Yo, we in the shop. The parts are still in here, right? We show YouTube the parts.
Yeah, it's at the office. You're right in the chair.
This is turbo right here?
Okay, you see all the parts what we got? Everything's here.
That's the turbo.
Oh, I folded, dog. Fuck.
What?
I didn't bring the turbo, but I don't need it. Yeah.
You saw your stuff?
Yeah.
I'll put some up behind the chair so it'll make more space on the couch.
No, it's fine. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got a turbo for you, bro.
Let me see.
It's gonna make big power. What's that? We'll put this on your car.
A dummy,
Like a 3D
dummy,
print
a
turbo.
dummy turbo. You 3D printed this? What are you doing over here, dog?
I'm just gonna make my own custom turbo.
Are you gonna make your own custom kit?
Yeah.
Wait, so you're gonna like
But
print it and put the aluminum and melt it
So
around it?
yeah, dude, this is just the mock-up. So once we're done with the mock-up, I see everything fits. I'll send it out to actually have it printed.
Oh, that's
So-
tough.
oh, you're gonna actually? Well, I make them. Like we have them made.
No, this is 3D. It's gonna be 3D printed.
Oh, so it's gonna
Yeah.
be different, I guess. But my uncle literally makes it from scratch.
know.
Yeah, he's like a.
So, but you're defined by the little pieces on the pipe. So like, you can't do this. So look at this one.
Yeah.
See, you have to use all the little pieces and you cut them up to make the shape that you want.
Yeah.
Here, you don't.
You don't have to
With
do
the 3D
that.
printing, you can make whatever the fuck you want. And see how it curves into it? For
Yeah.
that, you'd have to cut it and it wouldn't be perfect.
You
Okay.
still have to weld it together. Right?
Yeah.
So when we do this, it'll be like in 3 sections. You'll have like the plate, you'll have this section and this section, and then when it arrives, then we just weld it together.
Hell yeah.
So
That's sick. Most definitely. Hey, let me get the PDF for that.
Psych.
Get the PDF, dog. Hell yeah. Bro, I ain't seen my car in a minute, dog. I miss Taylor, dog.
That's what you named her?
Yeah, Taylor Swift.
Swift, that ain't gonna lie, that's clean.
You know why I named her Taylor Swift? Because everybody doubted me. When I first came out, bro.
Like, the red eye.
Huh?
We sent a twin turbo to red eye.
Hell yeah. No, I'm trying to tell bro, let's twin turbo the fucking F-150, bro. Stop playing.
We can do that.
Let's do it. Twin turbo on the F-150 would be crazy. Yeah, I might take the seats out too. I don't know. That's
Seats
like
out the back.
all the seats out the car. Like when it's first done and I want to like go fast, take the seats out. I'm gonna fully gut it.
So weight deduction really
Yeah.
matters.
Yeah, cause this car is heavy.
Yeah, this car's heavy. So ready to get your hands dirty or no?
Yeah, man, let's do it.
Alright, go grab the exhaust.
The middle?
Right at the end, it's gonna come down in a second.
Help us. Grab in the middle. Yeah. Come right here in the middle. Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's just on the end. side. Sorry, hard to get to. They did not make that easy.
Damn. Any 540 boys want to give me 1,200?
I ain't gonna lie, that bit is heavy.
The
He
exhaust?
said his exhaust is 10 pounds.
10 pounds.
This
All the way
shit,
back.
this shit heavy, dog. But I was gapping niggas with this shit on.
I ain't gonna lie. Take that 10 pounds. Take that 10 pounds for sure.
Yeah, I need my 10 pounds. Now this exhaust is probably like,
It feels like it's almost 50, bro.
yeah.
Alright, so you gotta hold it. So I'm gonna pull back and then drop.
All right.
Oh, okay.
It's the clamp is still on,
No,
bro.
no, no. It's the connection's back, but look.
What?
I can't pull it because this is loose.
Oh, this is loose? Oh,
So here,
shit.
try to pull back. There you go.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
Nice and quick.
All right.
Yeah, this is a good 50 pounds, bro. Probably more.
Nah, this is 150.
150?
It's
fine,
not-
It's not 30.
30?
30, 35 pounds.
30?
Damn.
Yeah, 'cause
All this?
a stock exhaust is like 65 pounds. So this is gonna be lighter than a stock exhaust.
So you should be able to hold this with one hand if it's 30 pounds, right?
Yeah. Pick it up, let me
Yeah,
see.
maybe it feels 30 pounds in your hand, but it's 30 pounds spread across.
Yeah.
That's like, look, if you holding 10 pounds right here, or if you're holding 10 pounds out here, you know?
Hell yeah. Ooh, I like that no exhaust look, boy. Pull up on him like that. Ooh. Pull up on him like.
Boof, boof, boof. Where's it coming from?
Is that shit coming from underneath the seat,
Modified
boy?
exhaust. You can get pulled so quick.
Hell no. I'm not getting pulled over in this car, bro. 1,000 horsepower.
All-wheel drive, too.
1,000 horsepower. Who gonna stop? Who gonna stop?
I remember I wanted to be an engineer mechanic.
Don't do it.
I'm already knowing. I chose tattoos.
It's good. Better than this.
Yo, what's good? What's going on with his car over there?
Ooh.
I said I want a twin turbo to charge it.
Oh, okay.
For the red eye, I put a supercharger in twin turbo.
No, you gotta. It's only one or the other.
One
so
or the other?
yeah, so you get rid of the supercharger and put a
Twin
twins.
turbo?
Yeah,
Pushing 13. I
but
seen one. Oh my goodness.
they're stupid fast if you put twin turbo. I think they should have came with twin turbos.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't think they would do that because
It's too fast.
everybody wants instant power.
Yeah, I mean, you know, that's the plan.
Yeah, that's why I don't drink. I smoke. What's good, y'all? So yeah, this is Journey getting the motor built. You know we got that new turbo for the beast. You know, we got that new turbo. Got my boy. He said he wanted the exhaust. I don't think I'm gonna be running that exhaust no more. So I said, fuck it, we gonna go single exit, and we gonna hook my boy up with the exhaust. So you already know.
Hell yeah.
We're gonna do a sound comparison too. What I don't know what you did, a muffler delete, right?
Yeah, this one just got a muffler
Alright,
delete
muffler
only.
delete versus a Valtronic exhaust, Alitronic. You feel me?
No cap.
Muffler delete. But they got some things in the shop today. Okay. Okay, too clean. Show that thing over there, man. That thing clean over there. and clean. I got presents.
Yeah, homie. Yo, you struggling to hold this, bro. I gotta get you in the gym.
I just left the gym, bro. My body's sore.
Yo, Kev, come here.
That's a big thing right there, man.
Hey, how's it going, bro?
Nice to meet you. Everybody super.
What you got? What you got? You got the light now? Oh, HPT?
HPT.
Damn. Sure.
This one, we're also teaching eventually.
Yeah, we got to, bro. And we know we got the link, so you know how it goes.
Yo, how much you take out this one? He doesn't count. But he HPT.
Besides that,
71,
71, 75, 72?
Yeah, 71, 75.
Yeah.
And he got the bigger, he got the F3, so it's the bigger
Yeah,
cover.
I can tell.
So this would be like a precision H cutter. 6 housing.
Oh, yeah.
What's going on, bro?
You feel how it feels, though? It feels like nice. Spin the wheel, yeah.
I've seen this. Let's see the difference. Well, I'm excited to use this shit.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna put it into all the other fucking parts.
I look.
All that is mine. All that. I got t-shirts and shit I never picked up.
Jeez.
Got the head gasket. And I think behind the couch we got the transmission and stuff. But yeah, I'm just waiting on the transfer case, guys. And then yeah, we're ready to go, man. We're ready to rock and roll. Now we got the turbo. So yeah, it's coming along pretty well. Sir. Look at that turbo kick in here, bro. I got turbo kicks just lying around in here. I know whose car that came off of. That came off that Supra in Palm Beach. You know the Supra with the huge ass wing, the yellow one?
Yeah.
That shit ugly. Bro, you saw that race with him? He was like, they never even started, bro. This boy is curl. Alright, but yeah, let's go see what's in the shop. I gotta go check out my girl. I'm probably gonna need one of those for the car. Just lock the doors behind me. This my shit, bro. We got everything, bro. That's putting in work in here. We're getting active, guys. I can't wait. I just can't wait. 1200 horsepower, we're gonna go crazy. We got a new turbo. We got a whole bunch of stuff coming in. Outside. Smell that, boy? Smell good? Hey, stop eating candy off the floor.